Hey everyone, this is Hydra from Xtrades back with another video, and in this video we're going to go over SanDisk. So yeah, let's start off with the weekly chart as always. So this one was actually a recent IPO. They were IPO'd in 2025. If we go down to the daily max chart, we can take a closer look here. So this one, yeah, had a nice IPO. It went from like 35 to 58. And then had a pretty big decline because I think a lot of IPOs at that time were were going through like a mini correction, and I think last April was when a lot of stocks actually tanked as well, right? So yeah, this one went through like a mini correction here, made new lows, it actually undercut its IPO open, right, and it formed a very clear support level around that 27 level. And then this one actually ended up basing for quite some time, for almost almost like March, almost 6 months, right? And then over here it got a really nice breakout. It formed another there's like another mini base here within the base, right? And then there's some key resistance level around that 50 level, and I think that was like the moment to start getting interested in this one, right? Because it's starting to build the right side of the base. And then over here we formed like a nice nice flag setup, right? And then we just took off, right? This was a good breakout candle to buy, and then here we had a big gap up and go, right? So this candle was definitely buyable, really strong close, right? And then this one just absolutely took off. Huge volume coming in as well, right? This is a big green flag. Whenever you see big increase in volume consistently back to back, that's a sign that institutions are buying into the stock, right? And that's exactly what happened here. So huge momentum, right? Huge run, and then it pulled back in slightly, formed the flag, and then broke out higher. And then again, huge run, formed like a mini consolidation zone over here, right? We formed like a mini flag, and then this one broke out even higher, and then formed another flag over here, and then this one continued to break out higher and higher, right? And then some mini consolidation, formed the flag, broke out higher, and then we had a correction starting like around November, December time, right? This one topped out for a little bit and then formed a flag here, and then formed another like mini flag here, and this was the actual breakout, right? So let me just clean this up. So this entire period we were going through like a mini base, right? Forming or correcting a little bit. Key resistance at that 245, key support over here, and then we formed a nice flag here, right? We tried to break out, pull back in, and then we got a really nice bounce back, and then we pretty much took off and never looked back again. Formed a mini flag over here, right? Another mini flag over here, and yeah, this one's just been on an insane run. Went from $27 to $676. Super incredible run. One of like the best stocks of all time. And yeah, this one has a huge gain in 2025, and so far already in 2026. This one's definitely very extended though. I would expect more of a correction to come in the coming weeks or months. So yeah, this one I expect it to cool off just because it's so extended. But overall, memory names look very strong, so I am leaning bullish on this one. So SNDK, MU, WDC, these are all like part of the memory theme, and all of these names are very strong. So yeah, but yeah, anyway, I hope this video was helpful, and hopefully you guys were able to take something from it. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.